arrived at your destination.
Montana. Let's go. We are back in Montana, and just look at those views on your doorstep. Checking out an amazing new property. We are arriving in your amazing village. You like living here?
Yes. It's small, but it's cool.
I would definitely live here. That mountain air. I'm seeing villages every single day of the week. This is definitely not your average. Welcome to Kupiusi, Montana Key Ready. So we're at the end of the village, which I know you guys love. We have double glazed windows and oh my God, views, 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 views. All views aside, it needs to be said that this outbuilding is definitely the star of the show. Just check it out. Not bad as far as outbuildings go. Key Ready main house, converted outbuilding, get straight to the fun part. And welcome home. This is your supersized living room with plenty of natural light all year round. Okay, so the house is rewired throughout and there's a new fuse box and a hot offer exclusive to Bulgaria Direct, wood power into central heating. And this is your corridor. We will check this room in a little bit. And going through here, you have this back door that walks into this amazing garden. Extra slice of mountaintop land. And what do we have here? Kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. And a dishwasher. The rest speaks for itself. It's good enough for starters. Whoa, that is a really cool door. Okay, so you have a new boiler, new toilet, and new sink. All systems are go. And walking out of here, you go out into your garden. Okay, so this is something really cool. This is what we call a pecht oven. Traditionally, you would be cooking lamb in here, but in modern times, it's just as good for pizza. And obviously, you've got a quince tree. Whoa! You can go into this outbuilding that can turn into whatever you like. You can put a huge table here. You can gather all of your friends, enjoy some nice food, some drinks, and just take in on these views. And here you have this little room. I'm thinking office, workshop, spare bedroom. What do you guys think? So this outbuilding has electricity and water, so that gives you even more options. Vehicle access gates. And here's your driveway that's big enough for 2 cars, which is always a plus. And that way you go onto the second floor. Welcome home. Whoa, the views are just non-stop here. Montana style. Here we have 3 bedrooms. This is the master bedroom. And again, we have amazing views over your garden and over the street. Fully furnished. Then we go to, this must have been the kids' room and it is very cute. And yeah, overall, it's been really taken care of. The service hatch is out of service. Bedroom number 1 with central heating and amazing views. Imagine waking up to these views every single morning. Only in Montana. That is your boundary down there. Behind the berry bush is a small stream. Reminder, we are at the end of the village, bordering the forest, and nothing beats a Montana holiday. Mountains, forests, and the mountain. And eco trails. Each of them is leading to a different waterfall and the surrounding mountains. There's a monastery right next to your village. I'm not allowed in, so I won't be showing you around, but oh well. First one to slap down the deposit takes the whole lot.